Welcome to the Two-Wheel Traveler channel. We definitely got some traveling in this week. Not much of the two wheels because it was a lot of rain, and we've already discussed that. I'm not a big rain fan. So, but here's a cool video outdoors. Check it out. There's some cool stuff in there. Hello everybody, it's Friday and you know what that means. What errand are we running today? Everybody's favorite. We get to go to the DMV and get our licenses redone. I know you're jealous, but just remember, when you feel jealous of what I'm going to do, remember you will have an extra 3 hours in your life that I will never get back. Have a great day. Alright. Plan B. That DMV had an hour and a half wait just to get inside, and then there was another hour and a half wait to get seen. So we're gonna go try a different DMV, and if that doesn't work, we're going camping. Getting the hell out of here. The apocalypse is coming because the DMV has a 3-hour wait. Don't you people work on Fridays? Jesus. I work 4/10s. That's what gets me out of it. What's your excuse? What's your excuse? Time off. We have officially moved on to Plan C. To hell with the DMV. We're gonna go get breakfast. So we'll catch up with you when we end up camping somewhere. Look at my wife's baby soda can. Ooh, it's so perfect. No, it's not. It doesn't even fit in your hand. It makes me look like a giant fucking Shrek. What are you laughing at? You with your baby soda can. Ah! Well, Vermont, you're killing me. There's some beautiful views here, but you still have trees in the way. You should cut them down like every other state. Haven't you taken note? When we want to see things, we destroy everything. Everything at no cost. Ha ha ha. What do you mean you won't have oxygen? Die anyways, but look at the world. Covered bridges. Gotta love New Hampshire. Vermont? Yeah, Vermont. So close. Sorry, Vermont. I just ate a steak and cheese here and I'm brain dead. You put me in food coma.
In half of a mile, left turn at the end of the road onto Woodstock Road.
I can't believe that lady keeps cutting me off while I'm trying to talk. How rude. Where the hell are the Olsen twins when you need them? They would set her straight. Yeah, that's a little out of my price range, I'm quite sure. So, this isn't a motorcycle video, but we're getting some action footage. My wife's crazy driving. She's actually riding a wheelie up the hill as I speak. Luckily, ooh, suicidal birds.
Left turn at the end of the road.
Stop yelling at me! Thank you if you've made it this far in the video. Do me a favor, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, so my thoughts for this week are just to remember other people could be fighting a battle that you don't even know. It just kind of, I was prompted by, I saw a thing, can't remember if it was today or yesterday or off the top of my head, but Robin Williams would have been 70 years old. And I think about how much he tried to make everybody else happy with laughter and through film and things of those nature, stand-up comedy, and he couldn't get happy with himself. So just remember, everybody's fighting a battle that you might not know anything about. So yeah, like I've said a couple times, just be good people to each other. Yeah. So another week in the books. We'll see if I can get some time in on blue. I did get some new lovely turn signals, and these are actually kind of running lights with turn signals. That'll be its own video. I'm also going to post a longer video on glass blowing I saw out in my adventures. You'll see a little bit of it in here. Or you saw a little bit of it in here, because this is the other end of the video. Yeah. So, like I said, be good to each other. I'll see you next week.